Hello, and welcome back to the studio. I've just arrived, and it's time to get ready. In fact, I have to thread my microphone through my shirt. So, hold on just a moment, please. I'll give you a view of the ceiling while I get this all prepared. Okay. There's the microphone. That has to go up my shirt. Go! Yeah, it's better that I do this than the PD or the engineer. Okay. It's almost in position, but I'll let the PD take care of that. Yeah, we've got some programs to record today. This is for a show, a TV show, broadcast in Korea. The name of the show is Oh My Question. That's right. It's broadcast on Edu TV, and it's broadcast 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, Monday to Friday, and then only twice a day, morning and evening on Saturday and Sunday, but 7 days a week. Let me do some quick calculations. Oh yeah, 19 times a week you can see the show. I hope you enjoy it. Oh My Question is the name of the program. I write it and record it here in the studio with my recording partner, Mr. Nam Sang-hyo. He's a gentleman, a very good guy. And if you have a chance to see the show, Oh My Question, then please send your comments. I don't really know how. You can do this. Just go to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called Nopaji Yamso, in the Korean language, Nopaji Yamso. But if you search on YouTube for John Valentine, or even Guam John Valentine, or there he is, Mr. Nam just came in the studio. You say hello, Mr. Nam. There he is.
Oh, hello. I'm in now.
He's a big movie star.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right, we'll get to work. So send your comments to YouTube on Nopaji Yamso, and we'll communicate. Enjoy the show. Peace.